Yo, what's up everybody? It's Shantanu. We all know how competitive the tech world is, especially when you're just starting out. But don't sweat it. Subscribe now because in this video, we're diving deep into some seriously powerful yet surprisingly affordable IT certifications that can give your resume that extra edge without emptying your wallet. So whether you're a student, a career changer, or just looking to level up your tech game, stick around because this one's for you. Alright, first up, we're kicking things off with a heavyweight in the tech world, Google. Now you might think Google equals big bucks, but their Google IT Support Professional Certificate is surprisingly accessible. We're talking just $39 a month through Coursera and satt trust में इसको पढ़िए. Mindast me kum. This is a steal for what you're getting. Think of this cert as your foundational IT knowledge base. It's designed for beginners, so you don't need any prior experience to jump in. They walk you through everything from troubleshooting computer issues to understanding basic networking concepts to setting up a home office. All the essentials. What I really dig about this certification is that it's super practical. You're not just memorizing terms. You're actually getting hands-on experience through labs and simulations. It's like having a virtual IT internship right at your fingertips. Plus, let's be real, having Google on your resume is an instant attention grabber. Even if you're not planning on a tech support role specifically, this certification can be a game changer. Look, for less than the cost of your daily coffee, you can invest in your future and gain some seriously in-demand IT skills. So whether you're just starting your IT journey or looking to switch careers, definitely check out the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. Next up, we've got a certification that's all about covering your bases, the CompTIA ET Fundamentals F+. This one's like the Swiss Army knife of IT certifications, giving you a taste of everything without overwhelming you. And the best part, it's only around $119 to take the exam. That's less than a new pair of headphones for a whole lot of valuable knowledge. Now don't let the fundamentals part fool you. This certification isn't just about the basics. It dives into essential IT concepts like networking, security, software, and even some basic programming. It's perfect if you're not quite sure which IT path you want to take yet. The F Plus gives you a broad overview of different IT areas so you can figure out what really sparks your interest. Plus, it's vendor neutral, meaning it covers concepts that apply across different tech companies and environments. So whether you're interested in working with Microsoft, Apple, or Linux, the knowledge you gain here will be relevant. If you're ready to dip your toes into the vast ocean of IT, the CompTIA IT Fundamentals F+ is a fantastic starting point. Okay, let's talk about networking because let's face it, in the digital age, it's all about connections. And when it comes to networking certifications, the Cisco Certified Network Associate CCNA is the gold standard. Now I know what you're thinking. Cisco Gold Standard must cost a fortune, right? Well, it's definitely an investment, coming in at around $195. But trust me, this certification can pay off big time. The CCNA is all about understanding how networks work. From the ground up, you learn how to configure routers and switches, implement security measures, and troubleshoot network issues like a pro. This is especially crucial if you are interested in roles like network technician, network administrator, or even cybersecurity analyst. Having a strong understanding of networking is essential in those fields. And let me tell you, Cisco certifications are highly respected in the industry. When employers see that CCNA on your resume, they know you've got the skills and knowledge to keep their networks running smoothly. So, if you're serious about a career in networking, investing in the CCNA is a smart move. Next up, we're diving into the world of Microsoft with the Microsoft Technology Associate or MTA certification. If you're looking to work with Windows Server, cloud technologies, or even game development, this one's for you. The MTA is designed for entry-level IT pros and covers a wide range of Microsoft technologies. You can choose a track that interests you, like server administration, cybersecurity, or software development. And the best part, the exams are super affordable, costing around $127 each. That's less than a tank of gas for a chance to boost your resume and validate your Microsoft skills. What I like about the MTA is that it's a great stepping stone into higher level Microsoft certifications. Once you've got your MTA, you can explore more specialized certifications like the MCSA, Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate, or even the MCSE, Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert. Plus, Microsoft is everywhere, right? From small businesses to Fortune 500 companies, chances are they're using Microsoft products. So, having those skills on your resume can open doors to a wide range of job opportunities. If you're looking to break into the Microsoft ecosystem or simply want to add some valuable skills to your IT toolkit, the MTA is a great place to start. It's affordable, flexible, and can set you on a path to a rewarding career in tech. Alright, let's talk about the cloud because let's face it, it's not just fluffy white things in the sky anymore. Cloud computing is changing the game, and if you're looking to level up your tech skills, getting certified in the cloud is a no-brainer. And that's where the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification comes in. For just $100, you can prove to the world that you understand the fundamentals of AWS, which is Amazon's cloud platform, and it's a big deal. We're talking about one of the most popular cloud platforms on the planet, powering everything from Netflix to Spotify. Now you might be thinking, cloud computing sounds complicated. And yeah, it can be, but this particular certification is designed for beginners. You don't need any prior cloud experience to jump in. What you will learn is how to navigate the AWS platform, understand basic cloud concepts, and even launch your own virtual servers. It's like a crash course in all things AWS. Companies are desperate for cloud professionals, and the demand is only going to keep growing. So if you're ready to ride the wave of cloud computing, the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification is the perfect place to start. Finally, for all you budget-conscious learners out there, let's talk about an option that's completely free, FreeCodeCamp. Yeah, you heard that right, 100% free. And don't let the name fool you. It's not just for coding. FreeCodeCamp offers a ton of different certifications in web development, data science, cybersecurity, and more. They've got interactive coding challenges, real-world projects, and a supportive online community to help you every step of the way. The beauty of FreeCodeCamp is that it's entirely self-paced. You can learn at your own speed, on your own time, and you don't have to pay a dime. It's perfect if you're a student, working full-time, or just have a busy schedule. And even though it's free, don't underestimate the value of a FreeCodeCamp certification. They are well respected in the industry, and many employers recognize the skills and dedication it takes to earn one. So, if you're looking for a way to skill up without breaking the bank, FreeCodeCamp is the ultimate resource. So, there you have it. 6 incredible IT certifications that can boost your resume and your earning potential without draining your bank account. Which certification are you starting with? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, career advice, and everything you need to succeed in the tech world. Until next time, keep learning, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video.